Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever sat there scrolling through your phone thinking, how do people actually make money online? Is it even possible to earn without investing anything? Well, the answer is yes. It's 100%. You don't need money to start. All you really need is your time, your phone or laptop. In this video, I'll share real ways to earn online. These aren't fake apps or get-rich-quick scams. So grab a notebook. Let's start with something powerful. Freelancing. Freelancing is basically using your skills to help others and getting paid for it. You don't need to be a pro designer or coder to start. Even simple skills can earn you money. Can you write emails? Can you make PowerPoint slides? Can you type or translate? Then congratulations, you already have a freelancing skill. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you post your services for free. Let's say you can write simple English, you can do data entry, transcriptions, social media captions, or basic writing jobs. People from all over the world hire freelancers every single day. Some pay $5 per job, some $50, and when your profile grows, even hundreds. At the start, don't think about big profits, focus on doing small jobs well. Get good reviews, build trust, and soon you'll see your first $10 turn into $100. Freelancing is not just work, it's the skill of independence. Another easy way to earn is through writing. If you love expressing ideas through words, you can turn that into income. Websites, YouTubers, brands, they all need writers. You can write blog posts, add captions, product descriptions, or even short motivational scripts like this one. Websites like Textbroker, iWriter, and Medium pay per article. The better you write, the more you earn. You can also message small business owners directly on Instagram. Offer to write creative captions or marketing posts for them. Most small business owners struggle with content. They will happily pay someone who can write well. At first, start small. Write one article a week. Keep improving your grammar and tone. Soon you'll realize you're earning from something you enjoy. That's the dream, making money by doing what you love. Next, let's talk about teaching. If you're good at explaining things, online tutoring can be a perfect side hustle. You can teach school subjects, languages, or even hobbies. Websites like Preply, Cambly, and Tutor.com let you teach students worldwide. You don't need a degree from any of them, just clear communication and confidence. You can start by teaching conversational English or basic subjects like math or science. Or go local. Teach through Zoom or Google Meet. Use short clips on social media to promote your classes. For example, make 1-minute English tips on TikTok or Reels. People will message you asking for private lessons. You can charge $5, $10, or even $25 per hour. Teach from your room, earn from your mind. That's the power of the internet. Let's move to another growing skill, social media management. You already spend hours scrolling Instagram, right? Now imagine getting paid for that. Thousands of businesses are online now. Restaurants, clothing brands, gym trainers, even small shops. They all want to grow their social media presence, but they don't have time to post daily or reply to comments. That's where you come in. You can handle their accounts, post content, write captions, and reply to customers. Start with one small business near you. Tell them you'll manage their page for free for 1 week. Show results. More followers, more comments, more reach. Once they see your value, they'll pay you monthly. And if you handle 2 or 3 clients, you can easily make $300 to $500 per month. Later, you can scale up and make this a full business. Here's another powerful idea: YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to talk if you don't want to. All you need is a topic and creativity. You can use tools like Pictory, CapCut, and Canva to make faceless videos with voiceovers or text. Choose topics like motivation, stories, top 10 facts, or self-improvement. Use stock footage, background music, and your own voice or AI voice. Upload consistently. At first, it'll feel slow, but when your videos start getting views, you'll earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. This is real passive income. You create once, and it earns for months, even years. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, a simple but powerful online business model. You don't need your own product. You promote someone else's and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. That's it. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Digistore24 let you join for free. For example, if you review fitness products, you can promote gym gear or supplements. If you love gadgets, promote earphones, cameras, or accessories. Every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. And you can share your links on YouTube, Instagram, or blogs. The key is honesty. Recommend only things you truly like. Affiliate marketing starts small but can grow huge over time. Now let's talk about digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it again and again. Automatically, that's what digital products are. You can create ebooks, planners, templates, or digital art. Use free tools like Canva to design them. Then upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. For example, create a monthly budget planner or Instagram post template. Once uploaded, anyone can buy it 24/7. You don't need to ship anything. You don't even need to be awake to earn. That's called passive income, money that comes while you sleep. It takes effort at the beginning, but later, it pays you for months or years. If you want to start small, you can also earn from micro-task websites. These platforms pay you for doing simple tasks. Things like watching ads, testing apps, or filling surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Y-Cents, and Inbox Dollars are trusted and free to join. You won't earn thousands, but it's a great way to start learning how online income works. And once you build discipline from small tasks, you can move to bigger things like freelancing or YouTube. Remember, every journey starts with one small step. Now, before we finish, let me share one truth you should never forget. Yes, you can make money online without investment, but you must invest your time and effort. Nothing happens overnight. You might fail a few times, and that's okay, because every failure teaches you something valuable. If you stay consistent for even 3 months, you'll start seeing real results. You'll realize the skills you learn now can feed you for life. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. There's no right time. The right time is today. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning every single day. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Next week, I'll share 7 high-income skills you can learn completely free. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need courage and consistency. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.